What are you eating?
Gaga.
No, what are these called? What are they? Fruit Loops. Yes, can you stop eating your Fruit Loops for a minute and tell me what this is? Helicopter. Hold on, we can't understand you while you're chewing. We'll give them back to you in just a minute. We'll give them back. What's the helicopter's name? Harold, yes. And who is this? Gordon.
Hero.
Wait, who's this?
Hero.
Yes, this one's Hero. Hold on, let's put this one up. Who's this one?
Giga.
Victor. Who's this?
Emmy.
That's not Emily, that's Thomas. Here, who's this one?
Emmy.
That's Emily.
Emmy.
Do you like your trains?
Emmy.
What do the trains say?
Good, good.
Yeah.